Hello lovely viewers, welcome back to our kitchen. Today we've got something truly amazing and mouth-watering in store for you. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds and make your day a whole lot happier. Are you excited? I know I am. Let's jump right in. Here is what we are working with. 1 kilogram of tender beef sliced to perfection. 2 finely chopped red onions that are going to add a burst of sweetness. 2 diced tomatoes, carrots and green pepper ready to bring a vibrant touch. Royco Michu's mix powder for an explosion of taste. Salt, the master of seasonings. And of course our trusty sidekick, vegetable oil. Heat up the stage, I mean the saucepan. Pour in vegetable cooking oil and let the show begin. In goes the onions. Put in little and keep the rest aside for the real show. This is to make sure that the meat doesn't smell bloody. Shh. Guys, listen to that sizzle. Watch them dance and sway as they turn golden and fragrant. Next, place in those beef slices with care. Let them cook well like the casting stars of the show that they are, the heroes of the taste. Here the real show begins. Enter the diced onions that we kept aside. Add in carrots, enhancing and bestowing a touch of enchantment upon the dish. Then add in the bell green pepper into your dish to take the flavors to new heights. Next, enter the diced tomatoes. They are about to create a symphony of colors and flavors in the saucepan. Now introduce the magical Royco beef powder. It's like adding the perfect beats to your favorite song. Stir and watch as the flavors harmonize into a melody that's music to your taste buds. Try this masterpiece at home and let me know. And just like that, our flavorful symphony is complete. Time to hit the subscribe button. Like, share, and leave us a comment. Thanks for watching. Remember, cooking is all about joy, experimentation, and sharing amazing moments. Until we meet again, bye-bye.